Ilong bibig. Ah! Ilong bibig. Ilong bibig. Mandy, where are you? Are you there, Mandy? Where is Mandy? Mandy? What? Are you alone here?
Yeah, because I'm studying the multiple equation.
You're studying math again?
Yeah, I need to.
But Mama said you need...
Every each month I need to learn it.
But Mama said you need to learn Tagalog also because that is needed in your school. You're turning to grade 1.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know some of the Tagalog?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the Tagalog of nose?
Ilong.
What? Who taught you?
Nobody, I just know it.
Okay, how about the Tagalog of eyes?
Eyes.
Yeah.
Mata.
Galing naman na. Okay, how about the ears?
Oh my god.
Let me think.
The ears.
What?
See, it's tenga.
Tenga. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Forgot it's tenga.
How about mouth?
Mouth.
Tagalog of mouth.
I don't know.
Bibig.
Baby.
Okay. Maybe we should study, but for you to learn, maybe let's put it in a game.
Okay.
Do you want?
Ooh,
Are you sure?
games. Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, let's
Okie
go.
dokie. Hi guys, today I'm gonna study the body of the parts like ilang mata. Like that, guys. Yay, I'm so excited.
Are you ready
Yep.
to learn the Tagalog parts of
Yeah.
your face?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, first we will practice. This is the nose, right? Okay, ilong,
Ilong.
mata,
Mata.
tenga,
Tenga.
bibig. Okay, ilong,
Ilong.
mata,
Mata.
tenga,
Tenga. Bibig.
bibig. Okay, this is the game. We will point first here in ilong. Ilong. Copy me. Ilong. Wait, okay. You will follow my voice, not my hand, okay? Not my finger. Ilong, mata. Okay, good. Remember, you are going to follow my voice. And then, okay, let's go. Ilong, tenga. Tenga. Oh, see? Okay. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Beginner's level.
Okay.
Ilong, bibig.
Can you follow the computer?
Say it bibig too.
Bibig.
How are you gonna learn the Tagalog? Ilong. Okay. Just follow my voice. Ilong tenga. Ilong bibig. Ilong mata.
Mata.
Ilong tenga. Oh, you're right. Ilong mata.
Mata.
Okay, now this is the twist now. For every wrong move that you will do, you're gonna be taken by me.
Yay!
What? First mata. Bibig. Tenga. Ilong. Okay, now let's go. Ilong mata.
Mata.
Ilong bibig. Ilong tenga. Ilong mata.
Mata.
Ilong tenga. Just sit down.
Oh my god, that's ridiculous.
Okay, let's make it faster. Ilong tenga. Ilong, 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 tenga. Ilong, 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 tenga. Ilong, 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 bibig. Ilong, 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 mata. Ilong, 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 mata. Ilong, 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 ilong. Yeah!
No, but I didn't even to try.
Okay.
I know.
Ilong, 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 bibig. Okay, okay, okay. Ilong, 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 bibig. Ilong, 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 bibig. Ilong, 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 mata.
Mata? I
Oh,
don't do it.
she's getting good. Mandy Pat is getting good. Ilong, 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 tenga. Ilong, 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 mata.
Mata?
Ilong, 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 mata.
Mata?
Ilong, 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 bibig.
Big?
Ah! Okay, that's it. Ilong. Tenga. Ay, sorry. Tickle me.
Okay, so now guys, I already know the subjects already for my face, but at Tagalog. Ilong, mata,